friends. I'm here to greet you from South Trelawney and to let you know that you have our support when it comes to peace. I know that I have to be here because Christiana is our main town when it comes to Larmas division and Warsaw division. All the persons shop in Christiana. And whatever is happening over in Christiana affects us over in South Trelawney. And it's a bit closer to us because one of the young ones that died, that got shot, is from our own community of Larmas over in South Trelawney. He just came over the border to get something and then he was killed over on the border. So I can tell you that even if it might feel like a Northeast Manchester event, but I think it's more a South Trelawney event. So it's more closer to us, and I can tell you that both his parents are very close to me and my family. So it's really touched my heart. One of the incidents that happened at the bar, that the person that run that bar is my very good friend. And I can just tell you that you might see violence and it affects. It's not just the family that it's affecting. It affects the entire business community. You know, and it really touch my heart. And one of the things that I'm in my community campaigning on now is better parenting. And I get a little flag not too long ago when I speak on why our parents cannot speak to our children and reprimand our children is because of some of the wrongs that we see we doing on a daily basis. And I draw one example of just stealing light, electricity. And you might have a 10-year-old in your house, and every evening that 10-year-old watch you take the wire and hang up on the GPS line. When that child reaches 16, you won't be able to tell that child that scamming is wrong or gun violence is wrong. So I want to say to our parents, start checking yourself. I can tell you that as a nation, I think we lose an entire generation right now. And it's frightening, but those kids that are born in from the 2000, I don't know what we're going to do, but we have to try our best to save some of them. But we have to start from those 4-year-old coming up right around 12. We have to try to start to set a better example for them as parents. And in Jamaica that we want to see, let us begin with us. Every individual, we have to start from Papa, we have to start from Mr. Wink, we have to start within us. And not until we as politicians can stand up on the political platform and say, if you are a gunman, you cannot be a part of my campaign. We will never, ever see a better Jamaica. So that's why it means all this, and I'm here to support you, community, in whatsoever Northeast Manchester. Have our support from over and South Trelawney. And we God bless you.